Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we will do OW sound words. OW means O. OW means O. We can pronounce OW in two ways. O and OW. O and OW. Like crow and cow. But in this class, we will read OW as O only. Okay, children, let's start. BELOW. BELO. BELOW. Below. LOW. LO. Low. BO. Bow. BOW. BO. Bow. ROW. Row. TOW. Toe. SOW. So. MOW. Mo. SLOW. Slow. FLOW. Flow. GLOW. Glow. BLOW. Blow. WHEEL. Wheel. BARROW. Barrow. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is a type of cart, children, which we draw by hands. Hathgadi. NARROW. 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 SPARROW. Sparrow. Sparrow is a bird which you see in the morning generally. Sparrow. TOMORROW. 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 CROW. 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 GROW. Grow. THROW. Throw. KNOW. No. K is silent here, so we will read it no. SHOW. 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 SNOW. Snow. Okay, children, these are some OW sound words, but here OW will be pronounced as O only, not OW. In some ways, we will pronounce OW as OW, like cow, brown, crowd, etc. But here we will pronounce OW as O only. Okay? Hope you understood this. And now, children, we will learn one more thing, that is rhyming word. You can see here that some words are rhyming with other words like lobo, mo. All these words are rhyming with each other, means they sounds like one another. Lobo. Only initial sounds are different, but OW are same in both the words. And in rhyming words, we will see some more words: slow, flow, glow, blow. All these four words are rhyming with each other. Then crow, grow, throw rhymes with each other. Narrow, sparrow, tomorrow rhymes with each other. No, show, snow rhymes with each other. You can learn all these rhyming words also and OW sound words to understand it better. You can make sentences from these words. Some words are different, like TOW, tow, means to pull boat in the water with the help of rope. So you all know SOW, sow, means scatter the seeds over the soil uh, for growth, for growing plants. Mow means trimming the grass. Low, low you all know means down, low voice, less. Bow, you can see here there is a picture at the left side of bow, a type of tie. Below means down, under. Slow, opposite of fast, slow. Flow, running water. Move along. Glow means shine. Blow also move along, but in the sense of air. Wheelbarrow is a type of handcart. Narrow, narrow means of limited size. Sparrow is a bird. Tomorrow means a day which is to come. Crow is a bird. Grow means develop. Throw means cast something, फेंकना. Know means having in mind. Show, to display something. And snow is a type of frozen ice. Okay children, hope you now understood this. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like and share it with your friends. Bye bye.